chance to fish that thing. Freaking green sunfish. Starting the day off wrong. Pretty little fish regardless. See ya, honey. And we made it to the honey hole. Hopefully we're about to make something happen here. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Well, we made it happen. Freaking one of the smallest smallmouth I've ever caught. Look at that dude. This is a beautiful little fish. There it is. Got this one. That is a trout. Oh my gosh, he came off. Are you kidding me? I hit him at the right angle, I guess. There we go. There's something. That is not a trout though. But we will take him. Nice hand-sized red breast sunfish. Pretty common down here. See you, homie. Threw on a little soft plastic. Let's catch the first trout of the day. Should be this easy. And there we go, just like that. Nice rainbow. What? Are you freaking kidding me? Well, that fish just somehow broke me off. And there we go. Oh my gosh. I had another one on there. Oh, I'm missing some trout. It's all right though. It's neat that we found a pool with a whole bunch of them there. Hey, yay. Mr. Bluegill showed up to the party. There we go. See you, homie. How many fish can we catch on this beat up trout worm? Let's find out. Man, it doesn't even matter what this thing looks like. These guys will eat it over and over again. Not even gonna re-rig. Just gonna cast it out as is. Greediest freshwater fish. And there is another. Oh, it's biggin'. It's cause it is super pregnant. Holy smokes. Look at that thing. Well, see ya. Oh, that one slammed it. Man, they don't even care what it is. They're gonna eat everything that goes down there. Another pumpkin seed. Catching these guys all over the place this year. Oh man, there's another. Oh, and there is another. Ooh, what do we got this time? Rock bass. big one. Holy smokes. Stay still, homie. That is probably about, I don't know, 6 or 7 already. Nothing too big, but a fish is a fish. Oh snap, so is this one. Man, he hammered that thing. Nice bluegill. Look at that dude. Man, you know what I mean. I'm gonna have to get some type of count up on the screen here of how many we've caught so far on the same worm. Ridiculous how silly these fish are. And there is another. Holy smokes. Set the hook kind of hard on that dude. He deserved it though. Kind of oddly shaped fat little sunfish. There's another. Oh my gosh, it's so silly. Nice looking red breast. Except you guys don't get to see him. Silliest releases with these sunnies. A lot of them over there. Oh my gosh. There's another. Couldn't resist. Oh snap, look at that. It's coming out his freaking gill. Now that is what I call inhaling a lure. Look at that dude. See ya, homie. Really wanted that thing, didn't you? Ah, I had that one. Oh no. Well, I guess that answers our question. I'll have to put a little number on the screen of how many we caught on that one worm. Whatever was out there just took it finally. I guess we're gonna throw another one on. Got this one. Oh, quick release. See ya, homie. And if you want some non-stop fishing action, these panfish are where it's at. And looks like we got this one. Smallmouth bass. He didn't want that pink one, but he certainly wanted the one that looked a little more natural, even on that tiny little hook. There we go. Smallie. And another. This time we are back to the panfish. Another fat redbreast. A lot of these sunfish are spawning this time of year. There's another. And probably gonna be the last cast at this spot. It's a nice little pocket over there. I think I just got it up in there pretty good. And we have another smallmouth. Just the first one I caught was probably the female. This one perhaps is the male. I don't really know how to tell. See ya, homie. They're probably spawning this time of year too. And what do we have here? Oh, this thing is decent, whatever it is. Oh, husky rock bass. It's a decent rock bass. See ya, honey. Man, I don't know how many fish we've caught today so far, but quite a bit. Oh my gosh, that was a huge sunny. Oh, snap. Came off too. Once again, smallmouth bass has made an appearance. I think this is the third one of these guys I've caught today. I wish they got a little bit bigger in this creek, but unfortunately, this is probably about the average size here. Oh, snap. Back in the water with you. Fun little fish to catch, just not the biggest fight.
Smoke, you ain't gonna grab his shoulder.
What is cracking, you fishing Jamoke's Eastern PA fishing here? The date is June 5th. And despite it being so late into trout season, we still should be able to catch some trout here today. It's only going up to about 75 degrees And there really aren't too many people out here fishing for trout anymore. So we should be able to come across some fish that are willing to bite, and we should definitely be able to catch them today. So I know my videos have been a little sparse and spaced out lately, and the reason for that being is I have an actual job. You know, YouTube really doesn't make you much money. You're lucky if you get a cent per view. So I really don't have a ton of time to go fishing. I'm gonna be hitting up some familiar spots today. These are actually some spots that you wouldn't expect there still to be trout at. But I know there's a ton of slack water that way. And down that way, there's also a ton of slack water after this little stretch of creek where there's some rapids, some deeper holes, and some moving water. So there still should be some trout hanging around these areas. While we're here, I might as well go over my setup. Today we're going to be fishing once again with a 3-inch trout worm. We're using the natural color. We want to use something that looks real to these fish. Got it hooked up on a small hook, and about 6 inches away from that, we have a very tiny split shot. And there we go. Got the first trout of the day on. Now, since it is a little warmer today, we have had some real hot and dry days here in Pennsylvania. Not going to try to get this guy out of the water for too long. We're actually going to walk him out a little bit. All right, there he goes. Didn't even have to take him out of the water. It's a good thing this time of year, especially if you want to put these fish back. Nice gentle release, and he's there for someone else to catch. A lot of these stock trout probably aren't too good to eat at this point, but it's still fun to catch them and put them back. Well, to be expected. I do see a trout out there though. See you, homie. Another trout in front of us. But we got smallmouth instead. Better than a sunny. Little smallmouth bass. Didn't even see him out there. See ya, homie. Just making my way to the next spot now. So far we have 1 trout, a few sunfish, and 1 smallmouth bass. I did see a ton of trout, but as expected, not too many of them would bite. I was kind of surprised that I saw as many as I did. That means not too many people are fishing these spots. Or at least not too many people are fishing these spots and catching fish. That's it for the island. Let's keep moving. Oh boy. Well, at least we're catching fish. Another red breast sunfish. Yeah, I remember when this hole used to be nice. Rock bass this time. Here we go, another species for the day. Man, another sunny. Man, could have swore I saw a trout out there too. Man, there are trout all over the place. Despite having a few days that were in the 90s and close to the 90s, still some fish hanging around. Another little spot. Oh man, there's a few trout in front of me, but this little bluegill stole it. It's always a problem this time of year. Oh snap, I had him. That was a good fish. Got him. There we go. Ooh, this is not a trout. This is a nice smallmouth. Man, I hope this guy doesn't come off. That's a nice fish. Yes. And there we go. That is a nice little smallmouth bass for this creek. Get him unpinned. Can't believe he ate that little worm. There we go. That is a decent little smallmouth for this creek. I will take him all day. It's better than a trout. And he's off. How's he feel? Nice and big? All right, that's enough. Now just move the rod tip over towards me. Yep.
And then let me have a turn.
There you go. Nice big trout. Here, let's let Cal hold him real quick. And Cal, you want to put him back? Careful, careful.
Put him back. Put him back. Put him back. Oh.
Yes, push him out a little bit. He's fine. When they go like that, if you turn them over like this and you hold them by their tail, you give them, yep, you just pull them back once. Let Daddy try to catch one himself. All right, Daddy's gonna try to get one himself, and then we'll call it a day. Did we have fun?
Yeah.
Let's see if there's another one out there for us.
I hope there's a big one. 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 Daddy, do you like my pink tail?
Oh, that's the lid to my container there. And there we go. There's one for Daddy.
Can you hold it with you?
Daddy got the little one, of course.
No, it's a little bit big.
Well, he's all right.
Can we hold him?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, did we have fun?
Yeah!
Woohoo! We'll have to do this again. Girls, can you say safe, stay tuned, and stay fishy?
Stay tuned and stay fishy.
Stay safe, stay tuned, and stay fishy.
Stay tuned and stay fishy.
That's right.